Today I'm going to be doing a contest of the new Blackstar amp that I just got yesterday. I immediately love it. It's better than the old Marshall. That thing is just shit. Yeah. It's a tube amp. And it's just fantastic. I immediately love it. And here is the clean. I'm using New Jersey with Seymour Duncan Invader in the bridge. And that's with the voicing off on the clean channel. This is with the voice on. It's a bit darker with it off. I prefer it like that. It sounds much better. With it on, just too bright. Too poppy for me. Not good. And here is the overdrive channel with voice switch on. It's more of a high gain metal sound, more of a modern day sound. This is it with the voice switch off. It sounds a bit darker, just like clean channel with it off. This is more of a vintage sound, or a classic rock. I still like this too, but I mean, I sometimes play it in the more modern day, so I can really get squealing. But I can roll the volume off when it's on the when it's off. Can't really do that when it's on the more modern day sound. You can do it a bit, but just not really. so glad I got it. Best investment I ever made. So, like, comment, and subscribe. And make this face.